Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about how to use Bloodflame Blade Elden Ring. So it is quite simple. Now you can see we are on Dual Shockers, which is the official guide provided for Bloodflame, and to use that, in order to use your Bloodflame, you are going to be needing to get seals such as Finger Seal that is being sold in the round table hold by a merchant. So once you have it, go to the rest of the site of Grace, then select Memorize Spells and select the Bloodflame Blade from the menu to learn it. Once you do that, basically you will be eventually able to use your Bloodflame Elden Ring, and that is how easily you can do that. So for more guides like this one, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video and share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.